faith and solidarity toward others. Rasulullah has said as follows: two things that none of them can exceed the virtues of the two, namely, faith in Allah and doing good to the Muslims. As the words of the Prophet Muhammad as follows: whoever wakes up early in the morning with the intention of not doing injustice to someone, then the sins he has committed will be forgiven, by Allah. And whoever gets up early in the morning with the intention of helping people who are being persecuted and meeting the needs of Muslims, he will be rewarded according to the reward of a Mabrur pilgrimage. And also the words of the Prophet: the people who are most loved by Allah SWT is the most useful person for others, and the most important deed is to make the heart of a believer happy by eliminating hunger, alleviating difficulties or paying off debts. And two things that none of them can outweigh their crimes, namely associating partners with Allah and tormenting the Muslims. Misery of Muslims can be in the form of threatening their safety and their property. Everything that is commanded by Allah basically contains two things, namely glorifying Allah and having mercy on His creatures. As confirmed by Allah in His word as follows: establish prayer and pay zakat. And His word also: you should be grateful to me and thank your parents. In a history sourced from Al-Qarni it is explained that he said, I met a priest when holding one trip, then I asked him, O pastor, what things can elevate a person? So he replied, restore the rights of those who were wronged and lighten the burden of responsibility. Because the deeds of a servant cannot be accepted by God, if he still has dependents or commits injustice against his neighbor.